Hello dear Turbomaniac friends. As we promised in previous videos, we are with you with another free SEO training. Here, as we said in previous videos, we are going to have a lot of practical training and teach SEO from 0 to 100, from beginner to advanced. In this video, we want to talk about how Google works and review it technically. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. So, how does Google start working from scratch? It has 3 stages: crawling, indexing, serving search results. Now, let's explain it in simple terms. What is crawling in short? Google has a series of bots and programs that see different pages and start visiting reputable websites, which they call trusted websites, which are actually reputable websites that Google trusts. From those websites, they start visiting different websites and completely review the content of the websites. These bots use a series of supercomputers and servers to crawl websites. These bots are using these supercomputers that are constantly checking websites. How are these robots crawling on Google? For example, these robots enter a reputable website like Times Magazine and see a link. Through that link, they enter a new website and check new websites. After finding new websites, they download the content of the websites. After the crawl is finished, analysis and indexing begin. At that time, they analyze what the topic of this content is and what these web pages are about, which is also the indexing stage. After indexing, according to the user's search, the most relevant and strongest content from those pages, which is the answer to the user's search, is displayed to the user, which means serving search result. In fact, crawlers are crawling our different web pages and store the information in the Google database and are displayed to the user in response to the user's search. Let's review a few points together. Crawling has a stage called discovery, which starts crawling from discovery. First, it finds new URLs and collects new links in the database on different websites, which is called discovery. And then it starts crawling from the same database. Discovery is done in 2 or 3 ways. The first way is to get links from pages that have already been discovered. For example, if I launched the Turbomaniac website today, how will Google crawl the website when it has just been launched? In the case, I have to link to my website from websites that I have already been discovered. The second way is definitely the most important way, which is none other than connecting the website to Search Console. Search Console is the most important tool for SEO, which we will teach you in detail in new videos. You can connect the website to Search Console and create a sitemap for your website, which will help Google discover your website much faster. There is also a possible way, which may take more time, which is to discover and crawl the website URL through the Chrome browser, which is for Google itself. Of course, it is possible for a page to be discovered but not crawled. When the Google bot or crawler discovers your URL, it checks a number of points. For example, It checks through the robots.txt file whether you have allowed it to crawl our pages or not. Or, according to the noindex tags, the website crawls the pages. In the following tutorials, we will teach you about noindex and robots files. We said the next step after crawling is indexing. In this step, Google analyzes the content, images, videos, tags, and meta tags of the page to find out what the topic of the page is and how good they are. After discovering and making sure that is allowed to index or not, it enters the page, downloads your content, and thoroughly examines it to see whether it has the necessary quality or not. It even checks whether the content of your website is duplicated or not. So, the uniqueness of the content is very crucial to it. This includes both your own website and the entire web space. There are a number of factors that prevent the page from being indexed. Low quality content is one of these. You may post content and have an index tag, but it is not indexed. This is because of low quality content. The next thing is the no index tag, which is to prevent indexing. The robots.txt file also plays a major role in not being indexed. Now, there is a time when you have quality content, you did not put a new index tag in the robots file. It is not a problem, but your website is not indexed. Here, the problem may be due to the non-standard and unprofessional design of your web page. So, follow this tip that it must be designed properly. According to the first words of the video, after the index is done, we go to the serving or ranking. At this stage, you may encounter this issue that, for example, you search for buying a house. It shows you several websites. You want to inform the employer that we got a rank in the word buying a house. But when the manager searches, you see that the rank is different from what you saw. There are several reasons for this. It may be because of the device and the device's IP. For example, mobile results are different from desktop. It may be because of your browser's cache. It may be because of your location. And finally, it may be because of the language difference. Now, how should we solve this problem? When you want to see the results in their pure form without applying the factors I mentioned, use the Incognito tab in the Chrome browser to show you the most accurate results. Of course, the mobile and desktop rankings are still different. Well, this short video of ours has ended, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We always try to teach in a way that you can understand the concept in the shortest time and get projects and earn income as soon as possible. Be sure to follow us so that you don't miss the next tutorials. It's just the beginning and there are many tips left to learn.